Hello guys, it's me, Jeremy. So I'm gonna show you my collection, Marvel collections, toys I got and let's see. First I have this villain from the Spider-Man universe. It's collection for in the movie. And first, Captain America from the Avengers Endgame. I got it from Christmas. First, I got the Venom from my birthday after I was 12 years old. First, the other, I got Red Hulk from Captain America Brave New World. So I just from my birthday. It's from my birthday. So this is a Captain America from the Avengers. I just got it. My sister got it for me, and he has no shield. Anyways, and the other is the Hulk, the Incredible Hulk. I just got it from the Christmas, and when I was in Grandma's house. First, the other was Thanos. I just got it from, from Christmas, from my birthday. I mean that. And for the other, it's the Thor from Vacation. I got it from the Vacation. I just spent my dad's money. I just did that. So I got the Falcon from Falcon and the Winter Soldier. So I got it from my mom got it from me. He has no shield. And first, the Captain America. I just used Falcon's shield for Captain America Steve Rogers. First I have that Iron Man. I got it from Christmas. First I have it Spider-Man from when I was with my family. First the Venom, he gave it Evan, and the other Wolverine from the X-Men. They gave it when I was with Carlos and my sister and my brother. And first, Miles Morales from Spider-Man universe. I just got it from Christmas. The first, Loki from the Vacation. I just got it from the Vacation. And first, Falcon from Captain America the Brave New World. And first, the other from Spider-Man. So, thanks for seeing my collection. Bye.